How to enable Google Play services. Hello everybody. To enable or reactivate Google Play services, you may follow up this method. So open up the Settings app on your Android phone, tap on it, and then once you open up Settings, you should be finding some options. Locate up the option called Apps from the Settings. This one right here, go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on Apps, you should be finding all of the apps available on your device. Go ahead and use the search bar in order to search for Google Play services. Tap on that and you should be finding Google Play services, this one right here. Tap on it and then your Google Play services settings opens up. Now from here, if it is disabled, you need to go ahead and tap on this option, and there you should be finding enable option. All you gotta do is enable if it is disabled, and that should reactivate your Google Play services. And if there is any update or install available, you may just go ahead and update and install Google Play services. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to deactivate your Google Play services. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.